Hi, good morning. So, Symbiosis, the medical college which started only in 2020 session, but because of the very low fee structure, which is 10 lakh rupees per annum, it has gained lot of traction, and that's why, as far as cutoffs was concerned, I think it's in the top six of the cutoffs which is happening in India. So the name of Symbiosis and the low fee has really helped this college to become the top at least 10 deemed university within the first year of operations. And because of that, they have pretty low number of seats vacant, which is only one seat in general category, and surely 22 seats are available in NRI because there are not so many NRIs available to take these seats. So they have also announced their stray vacancy round, which is going to start from 12th, and pretty interesting because they are making you do it in two steps. So let's go through it slowly, that how it is going to happen. So as I just said, it's one seat for general, 22 for NRI. For all practical purpose, you can assume that we have 23 seats available at a pretty low fees of 10 lakh rupees per year and a nominal hostel charges of about 2 lakh. But they have said that they will start with the general, and if there is vacant NRI seats, which would be there for sure, they will convert it at the evening of 12th, but the counseling will not happen. So let's go slowly. So the vacant general seats will be filled first on the 12th January at 11 a.m. And then, of course, the fee is the general category fee, which is 10 lakh rupees per year. Then the NRI counseling will start. All these three people are eligible for NRIs who are NRIs, overseas citizen of India or person of Indian origin. That whoever comes to take seat under NRI quota will pay the NRI fee, and the people who are not there, they will, when the seat is converted, you only have to pay the general category fee. So once again, very important point. So that's why I said it's huge opportunity. They are also asking you to do a online registration. So people who plan to join that, they can do this small online registration. Here you need to, most of you would be new, you will press this button, I agree, and then you will start filling up your details, and you must be having all your documents which they will ask in the end, and that is how you can register yourself. You can just keep going forward, and then there is a 2 to 3 page form. You will fill it up. Okay, so this online form you all have to fill up by, they have given the dates, but I think it is on a safer side, it is till Saturday. So today is Thursday, till Saturday 5 p.m. you can do this online registration. Then looking at these registrations, they will declare a merit list both for general category and NRI category, people who apply now for this college. And then, as we just discussed, you all have to report at 11 a.m. on 12th. Declaration of candidates for NRI vacant seats will be done at night of 12th. This is very important. So why? Because then you have to stay back for one day, because these guys, the further counseling will happen only on 14th January at 11 a.m. Okay, so now what is not clear from my side is selected candidates is people, let's say we have few clients who cannot get the first seat at this time, but once this happens, they might get a seat here. So should they go on 12th or should they go directly on 14th is a question whose answer I don't know right now, because my thought would be that those guys should reach directly on 14th, of course after looking at the list of the merit, so that they can plan their travel accordingly. They have mentioned that whoever is selected must report to Symbiosis College. The entire address is given. this was basically the previous notice, so don't worry about that. If somebody has applied already as per the original stay mop-up round, physical presence of candidate we all know is mandatory. You have to pay the fee in DD in the name of Symbiosis Medical College of Women payable at Pune. So make the DD of 10 lakh rupees. You should have registered already with MCC under the deemed university section. Must have paid 2 lakhs security deposit to MCC. Only then you can go there. Okay. This is again important. This revised merit list for allotment of NRI vacant seat will be declared, as we said, on 10 p.m. All these candidates should be present physically for the confirmation of their admission on 14th at 11. All the available seat will be allocated as per the interest merit of physically present candidates. We all know what is inter-C merit, that whoever is present at that moment, then it goes by the merit, and then the admission shall be done by 5 p.m. So this is the entire schedule for Symbiosis admission, and go ahead, do your stuff, and you have to register right now so that you are eligible. So this is the link. You need to register before the 5 p.m. Saturday. So try to register yourself either today or tomorrow. Okay. So this is a small thing, Symbiosis tray mop-up. Very high probability because of the low fee structure. Okay. So best wishes. Take care. Have a nice day.